Cindy, take it away.
All right, thanks, Jan. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. So I'm going to be talking about perioperative nursing. So what is perioperative nursing? For those who are unfamiliar, these are nurses that ensure safe care and support patients throughout the surgery. And examples that you might have heard of or had experienced yourself with surgery, common ones are removal of gallbladder, an appendix, or you may have had a knee scope before, or even cesarean section. So we offer various surgical services, and then one of them, a fun example I like to give from a plastic surgery is that we had a young patient come in and to get an extra connective tissue under their tongue removed so that they could lick ice cream and then also speak better. So that was very exciting. So at the end of the day, one of the most rewarding parts about perioperative nursing is being able to fix a problem and ultimately giving the patient an opportunity for a better quality of life. Next slide, please. So who is this for? Like Kathy mentioned already, we offer 3 pathways in our program. So one is the RNs and BSNs who would like to work in the OR and obtain an advanced certificate in perioperative specialty nursing. The second pathway is for LPNs who like to advance their education and scope of practice to work in the OR. And then our third one is for perinatal nurses who like to expand their scope of practice and taking part in a cesarean section on a surgical team. Next slide, please. And then, so this is a quick overview of what our program looks like for an RN, a BSN, and also for LPN. And so on the right-hand side, you'll see a nice little graph that has 6 courses in the program. And then in total, it's 25 credits. So we have 3 theory courses in blue, and then also the 3 clinical courses that are in pink. The clinical courses are delivered in a preceptorship model, and all the theory courses are delivered through distance, so online. Right. And then you'll see that the perioperative perinatal is 10 credits, so it's a modified program. All right, thanks. And then so career outlook. So the BCIT Advanced Certificate will prepare you in a number of ways. So working with patients ranging from infants to the elderly, and then also providing a variety of surgeries that I mentioned before already. And then also an opportunity to work in rural or tertiary care facilities or even private surgical centers. And so it's not always in the hospital. And then there's also opportunities for perioperative nurses to expand their roles. So in an example I've given here is RNFA, which is a registered nurse first assistant. And then so they assist the surgeon during the surgery. We actually had one of our graduates from our program. She's in progress in obtaining her RNFA. So it's very exciting to see that happen. All right, next slide. And then, so this is a student that we had in our perioperative program, and I'm just going to read out one of her testimony. The BCIT perioperative program has been an incredible guide to starting my new career as a perioperative nurse. All right, next slide. And then here are some more what students have said about our program for the perioperative nursing. I'm just going to give you a few moments to read it over. And if you have any more questions about the program, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is on the next slide. Right there. And you can also reach out to our program assistant, Stephanie Strong, who you may be in contact with.